What's up? We're back.
Yep.
It's a different kind of vlog this weekend. I'm not bowling until Monday, but these first 2 weekend vlogs, I don't know if there's gonna be 1 or 2, but I'm gonna be filming the kids. This was one of my favorite weekends to look forward to. Every single year as a junior bowler because my mom runs this tournament. That's not the reason, but it's a pretty cool tournament. Singles, doubles, and team event. Monday, or the first day, Saturday, it's all singles, 4 games of qualifying, they cut to the top 16, bracket play, bang. You win that, you win a surfboard. Doubles, same thing. Well, actually today we have the shootout as well, which is kind of like the PBA shootout. We keep going, low man out, winner take all, win a surfboard for that. Sunday is doubles, and then Monday, the team event. But this year, my mom added an alumni event. So if you've bowled this tournament before, you can bowl that as an adult now. So my team's pretty disgusting. So if we don't win this thing, I'll be a little sad. We'll see how the weekend goes. Should be a fun one. And it's just nice to be home. This is Darius.
What's up?
He's the next big thing. We're gonna help him bowl today. This is his brother.
Hi.
He struggles to stay behind the foul line.
Yeah.
But he did a good job on the first frame, so high five.
Yep.
Do that every time today.
Yep.
How'd we do?
I missed 6 spares. On the upside, went plus 44.
Let's keep throwing those spares straight.
Yes.
You gather info on the strike shots, not the spare shots. Alright, the kids are on a break now. Scores were pretty low. Did not look like they had fun whatsoever, but our boy might be leading. Plus 44. I forgot there's team event every day. So they're gonna bowl 3 games today, and then they're gonna bowl the shootout, or I don't know what order it is. It might be the shootout and the team event, and then the bracket tonight. I forgot how long these days are. These are rough. Yeah, day's not even halfway over yet. Right, the kids are on the lanes for team event. They bowl 3 more games, and then after this, they're gonna bowl their top however many brackets for their respective divisions. Long day, a lot of bowling. They're gonna keep going. Kids are struggling, man. Partially because the lanes are tough, yes, but I think a lot of it is just not having the experience yet to be able to figure out what they need to do to have success, because a lot of the kids are just falling on house shots all the time, playing the same part of the lane. So obviously if you're playing a part of the lane that the lane doesn't want to let you play, you're not gonna score very good. And the lanes also won't break down the way that they need to so that scores can improve later in the block. So Darius is literally the only one plus, I think, after however many games they bowled, and even he's struggling this block. And I just don't think the kids learn to play fart off right early on, or at least break the lanes down in the 10 minutes of practice they get. Yeah, may that be a tip for you out there. Don't play the line that you're trying to play when you get your 10 minutes of practice, because the more you throw shots there, the sooner it's gonna go away when the game starts.
So this guy's bowling. He made it. I didn't. So good luck to him.
He's currently bowling pretty
And
good.
hopefully he wins.
He's leading his match by about 40.
Your thing.
It's the key.
You're a Tang.
Alright, so we're finally in the finals. There are 4 divisions, and they're each... What's going on, Mom? You let us know.
2 games, total pin determines our champion.
Alright, they're about halfway through game 1. We're going to check out who's bowling for surfboards. Those really cool trophies. Long day, finally done. We crowned 4 singles champions. They will be receiving their surfboards on Monday. We'll get all that on camera and stuff. Barring anything bad happening to the camera, but we've been here for almost 12 hours and it's time to go home, rest up, and then do it again tomorrow. So, congrats to all the winners, and we'll see you tomorrow for the doubles.
Doubles? Yes, sir.